Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can hide active now activity status on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and open up your Instagram app, and you will be here in the section, right? And from this section you're gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the horizontal line on top right corner. Then from there you're simply gonna scroll and tap on this option of upon message and story replies, where you will be able to find this option of show activity status. Go ahead, tap on it and simply turn that off. So when you do that, nobody will be able to know that if you have been active or not, and that is it. So you can do that. You can turn it on if you want. Again, you can just come back over there, and that is basically how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.